Hey guys, out here in the Amazon rainforest, and today I'm gonna teach you 5 tips to help you find a tiger out here in the Amazon rainforest. And today we have a special guest
named Cash.
Yeah.
For our first step is
What happens if you don't have nothing to eat out here in the Amazon rainforest? Turns out it's been with us the whole time. Tree bark. Just grab a chunk. A nice juicy one. Chuck it in your mouth. Not good. That was so disgusting. Can't believe I ate that. But we found this nice little patch of terrain. So we're gonna sit down. And these rocks are over here. Come on, Cash. He was a little scared about eating those wood bark. So, if you don't want to eat wood bark, all you have to do is pull out your backpack and grab your tortillas. For step number 2,
you need to find some water on the floor. As you can see, he found some water on the floor.
So we did find some water on the floor right here. Looks a little dry, but I guess I'll try a piece. Let me get a good one. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
It's a little sour, but that's good, because sour is good for your body, inside and outside.
What happens if you need to go to the bathroom?
Turns out you're actually sitting on it. Right here is a hollow stump. And as you can see, it even has plumbing right down there. So if you need to go, you can go in there. Or if you're a boy, you can go out here. But if you're a girl, I'm sorry. Tip number 5 is all you gotta do is just grab your weapons. Try to find a tiger and hunt it down. But I know this might sound like poaching, but in order for it to not be poaching, all you have to do is bring it home and eat it for dinner. Oh my gosh, we just found a tiger right here. This is crazy. Let's battle it, Cash. Come on. Oh no, it's too powerful. We gotta go. Let's go, come on.